You're here because you want to see a budget-friendly makeup look for date night or Valentine's Day. And I'm here because I want to try a new makeup hack I learned. Let's just kill two birds with one stone. Welcome to my channel, Alyssa Simone Is, where I share with you all the helpful things that I is. Mainly, I am a budget-friendly spender, and today is no different. We are going to work on a makeup look that is budget-friendly using Wet n Wild and e.l.f. products, everything under $10, and we're going to see what we can do with this makeup. I learned a new concealer hack from another YouTuber, so I'm going to try that today. Let's get into it. If you see my normal makeup routine, then you know my eyebrows, I put my foundation on and then I do my eyebrows. But today, with the makeup routine that I want to follow, I'll list her down below. But how she does it is she does her eyes first and then she does her the rest of her face. So I'm gonna do that. And so, you know, like I said from before, anytime I forget my pencil, I just use the other side of this. So this is what we're gonna have to do today. This is e.l.f. in the natural brown. So I'm going in with this. We can actually skip over this because you guys have seen me do it. They don't match. They don't match at all. This is why I say I don't like doing it with close-up mirrors, because it's like I never know the shape that I'm getting into. Ugh. Okay, so my eyebrows are done. And so what she did was she took her concealer and she put it, well actually, let me put some primer on first. I'm gonna take my little e.l.f. primer, my makeup-y e.l.f. primer, and that's what I'm gonna prime my lids with. And then from there, I'm going to take my LA Girl concealer and take that down on my lid. This is so the colors that I use will pop out a little bit more. So I'm gonna let that get a little tacky. That was the trick, guys, is to let your concealer get a little tacky so that the coverage is a little bit better. So we're gonna see how that works. Now she did it for the under eye part, but I just wanted to try it for my eyelids. And so I'm going in with my 24-hour foundation from Maybelline that you saw me use last time, and the color is Mocha. And so to get rid of any halo on top of my brow, I go in, what side did I just sweep that with? I can't see. But all right, there we go. And I'm just going to blend that out. This is not wet. I need it to be though, but it is not wet. Okay. So yeah, that looks, I mean, I'm pretty happy. You guys know it is a struggle with these eyebrows, okay? So it is gonna be what it's gonna be. So I just got my little sponge a little wet, so I'm going to take that concealer and just kind of spread it all over my lid, and hopefully this makes the colors pop from when I'm going to be doing my makeup. How does that look? Okay, definitely gives my eyes a different look. So I have two palettes that I'm going to be using, and I only have one brush. So if you don't know, I just moved from another state. I just left California, moved to a different state, and so I had to leave a whole bunch of things behind, makeup being one of them. So I only have two palettes. This one I got from Rite Aid. It was like $1.99, and then this one is the Wet n Wild palette that you guys saw in my last makeup video, and that one was, I think, I want to say $5. No more than $5. I wouldn't want to spend more than $5. So first I'm gonna go in with this little brush from Wet n Wild, and I'm going to put a crease color or a transition color in. And so let me see which one I'm gonna use. I think I kind of want to use a mix of this color and this color, because this gives me warmth, but I want it to be a little bit brighter. Can you see it? Yeah. So it's the Heart and Soul palette. I'm pretty sure they don't have it anymore, but so I'm gonna take this brown and mix that to be my crease color, because I don't want it to be too dark, and the shade that I'm gonna use in the e.l.f. palette is just a hint darker than the transition color. So the transition color that I wanted to use. So I'm gonna put that on my outer lid. Okay, and I'm just gonna put that all in, carry it over just a little bit. And the reason why I'm doing this makeup look is because I actually have a collaboration on Instagram. No, it's not like a paid collaboration, but it's me and another girl who's also, I want to say she's like the Frugal Fairy. Her name is Quintessentiallyque, and I'll link her Instagram down below so that way you guys can see our actual looks that we're going to be doing. Is that picking up? Can you guys see that color in my eye? And so I'm just really excited about it. So I have a few looks to do, which I'll show you at the end of this video, me styling those looks, and you guys let me know how you feel about them. But actually, I'll give you guys a little bit more of the date night looks than I give on Instagram, because she sent me 5 and I'm gonna be the one doing the editing, and 5 is a lot. I was thinking 3. Okay, I feel like I carried this color a little too far in, but that's okay. Okay, so the next color I'm gonna go in with is from my little e.l.f. palette. This palette is the Bite Size Eyeshadow Berry Bad. And so I'm gonna take this color right here and put this on my outer corner because it is a little darker than the transition color. Okay, and let's fill that. I'm only gonna do half. This color's not picking up very well, but that's all right. That's all right. Okay, so the hard thing about this color is it really was so close to the other color. So it's like, I don't know, can you tell? I can barely tell the difference between my crease and then the outer part of my lid. Can you tell? Let me know down in the comments if you can tell or if I'm tripping. So because I'm having such a hard time getting the other color to show up, I'm gonna go in with this color. It's a shimmer on my outer crease, and this is like a very deep berry, and I'm gonna try and mix it with this very deep brown shimmer. Can you see that? Yeah, you can, like that. Okay, so I'm gonna mix those two colors and try and put that on my outer lid. Let's see how that's working for the girl. Yeah, see, I'm liking that much better. Are you guys liking that much better? I like it much better. Let me just do the other side real quick. And because I'm a beginner on makeup, what I do is I go like half of my lid, I go down and I kind of create a line or a barrier. It's like, don't go past that, and then I kind of toss it out. Now I will not be doing winged eyeliner because I have creases and I don't want to fool with it. To be honest, I don't want to fool with it. If you can see, the kick up is real. I mean, very real. Okay, it's all down here. Like I got something happened to me, but it didn't. I don't want to say certain words. You just never know what they're gonna be. Let me just switch on this way. On the other half, I'm gonna go in with this color and see how I like it. Hopefully I like it real good. So I'm gonna go in with this color right here. Oh, I'm loving it. I am loving it. I do need to kind of blend out, but I'm loving it. Okay, so I ended up having to go in with this color because to me, I just needed it to be a little brighter on the inside. So I mixed it. So I did this little pink shimmer right here, and then on top of it, I did the light gold shimmer. And that's how I got this look. So on the outside, it's like a raspberry, and then on the inside, it's like a pink gold. And you know I'm not a makeup artist, so what I'm gonna do is go in with some more of that transition color that I wanted, and I'm just going to carry it up just a little bit further up my eye. So I got a lot of kick up, so I'm gonna go take a little piece of tissue and try to like clear that up. Not working. I think I'm just gonna have to cover it with my foundation. Oh my gosh, I got so much on this side. Oh my gosh, that's crazy. Now I'm just gonna apply my little e.l.f. liner. You know I use the pencils because I ain't fooling with the other stuff. Then I go up with my L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara. And if you have false eyelashes, you'll probably want to put mascara on first and then apply your false eyelashes. But you know, if you've been here, that I'm not going to be put on no false eyelashes unless it's a super special occasion. And seeing as how I ain't going nowhere, I'm just about to shoot some looks. This ain't a special occasion. Oh. Plus, like, what do you guys think? My eyelashes, they stand out like when I put the mascara on, right? So now I'm going to do the rest of my face like you would normally see. Only thing that I'm going to do different is I'm going to speed up the video, but I'm just going to apply some concealer and make it tacky. So I'm going in this time with my poreless primer because I looked at my other video and was like, girl, the pores, get them together. Let me take my nose ring out. You know about that neck, y'all. Get that neck. Prime the neck because you're going to put makeup on the neck. you all liked that video. It was very inexpensive. I'm gonna go ahead and set my face because I didn't do it, and I'm going to use the Wet n Wild matte finish because you know I like the matte finish. And just like that, the look is done. Okay, stay tuned because I'm going to start modeling my looks for you. Let me know which outfit is your favorite down below. A, B, C, D, or E. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notifications. I really appreciate it. And never forget, your outfit may be looking fly and your face may be beat, but it ain't nothing if you ain't got your smile on.